Make a great choice today with the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, dual pane panoramic sunroof, engine block heater. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.